In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change billing currency on Google Ads. By the end, you'll understand where the currency setting lives, why it's locked, and exactly what to do if you need to use a different currency going forward. Start by heading to ads.google.com. Once you're in your Google Ads account, open the admin area. Depending on your interface, this may appear as admin, settings, or under a tools icon. This is where account-wide preferences are managed. Next, go to Account Settings. This section contains foundational options for your account, including time zone and billing-related details. It's helpful to know that Google keeps these settings together because they affect how your reports and charges are calculated. Now look for the time zone section and open it. Even though we're talking about currency, Google places time zone and currency together because both impact billing cycles and reporting. You might see this section emphasized more than once in the interface. The key point is simply to open it so you can review the locked settings. Then, click your currency setting. Here, Google Ads clearly explains the policy. The currency you chose when you first created the account is permanent and cannot be updated later. This is intentional since changing currency midstream would disrupt billing, budgets, and historical reporting. So what do you do if you need a different currency? Google's guidance is to create a new account and choose your preferred currency during setup. Think of this as starting fresh with the correct currency rather than modifying an existing setup. When you create the new account, proceed through the standard setup flow. On the billing page, enter your account information and select the currency you want. Keep in mind that available currencies depend on the country you register in, and some countries support only certain currencies. It's a good idea to pick a currency that matches your payment method and the currency you need on invoices for accounting. A few quick tips to make this smooth. Confirm your time zone at the same time you choose your currency, because that setting is also permanent and affects how your performance data is time-stamped. If you're moving from an old account to a new one, plan how you'll recreate your campaigns, budgets, and conversions. Using a manager account can simplify oversight while you transition. To recap, you can review your currency under Admin, Account Settings, and Time Zone, but you can't change it on an existing account. To use a different currency, create a new Google Ads account and set the currency during the billing setup, choosing from the options available in your selected country.